Hi all, welcome back to Food is Good channel. And today we bring you a dish which is very unique and you would not even see that in YouTube, and that is the Kaladi cheese pizza. Now Kaladi is known as India's mozzarella cheese, and it is very relatable to the region of Jammu, and now it is picking up in other areas also. For Jammu people, it is a staple thing to have as snacks. So Kaladi is it looks like paneer before, but as you heat it up, then it starts stretching out and it becomes like a mozzarella cheese. So it's an Indian mozzarella cheese, and I'll show you how it's going to look like. This is the first time anybody is making on YouTube a Kaladi cheese pizza, and we are going to go ahead and do that today. So let me quickly walk you through the ingredients. So we have the pizza sauce, we have the pizza sauce is there, and then we have the pizza base, and then we have Kaladi. Now this is how Kaladi would look like. It looks like paneer, it's little solid, but as soon as you start heating it up, then it starts spreading and melting. Usually in Jammu it is eaten with bread or kulcha, but today, as we said, we're trying to bring it something unique to you, so we're going to make a pizza using this Kaladi. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take the base, we're going to apply the pizza sauce, and then we're going to put the Kaladi on the top of the base. So I'm spreading the pizza sauce. It's as per your taste, how much pizza sauce do you want to have. So you can spread it this way. I usually like all my corners covered and little bit of sauce in the middle. So I'm just going to apply everywhere to each nook and corner. And then we are going to break the Kaladi and spread it along the pizza base. Guys, what I've done now is I've mashed it up. It's solid, so we are going to just spread it. I'm just going to spread it like this and ensure everything is covered. I'm going to take the second piece. So it's easy to break. And this way I'm going to just spread it along. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt, just a bit of sauce, because this cheese does not have salt in it. So it doesn't taste that bland. I'm just going to sprinkle a bit of salt onto this. Okay, so just a little bit of salt, sprinkle, that's it. And now we're going to place it in our air fryer. So we have become a big fan of air fryer nowadays, and whatever we are making, we're making it in air fryer, and it has a great potential. It has replaced our OTG for now, so we're going to make it in air fryer. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep it around 200 degrees for around 4 to 5 minutes. Again, after 3 to 3.5 minutes, just check your pizza where it has reached. If you feel it has reached where you need to take it out, just go ahead and take it out. So just it goes into the air fryer, and now I'm going to put it in. So we are now going to set the temperature first. So there goes 200, and then we are going for the timing. I've kept it at 5, but I'll check it after 3.5 minutes or around 4 minutes, and if I feel it is ready, I'll take it out. So see you guys in another 5 minutes. Okay guys, so time for truth. It has been 5 minutes, and there you go. The pizza looks great. It's melted, so I'm going to just take it out and put it on a plate, and then we're going to cut and see how it has prepped. There you go guys, the Kaladi cheese pizza is ready. First time on YouTube. You'll see a lot of videos of how Kaladi is made with bread or kulcha, but never a pizza. I'm just going to cut it now. So we want to hear that crust sound, and there we go. Small piece. There it is. So it's India's version of mozzarella cheese. Kaladi is India's version of mozzarella cheese, as said, specifically found in Jammu region. making its way to other part of India. So just thought of bringing it to you guys in a unique form, in the form of pizza that we all love to eat. So I hope guys you like what you saw today. If you did, please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to receive future notification for our upcoming videos. Thank you all and take care.